Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Solihull. Now I've been asked to have a look at this Worcester-Bosch. There's no power going to it, no lights, no display, nothing. So they got no heating or hot water. They asked me to have a look at it and hopefully I'm going to diagnose it and repair it for them. It's going to be a short video and it's an on-the-job video. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now first of all, I've got a small problem. I can't find my contactless voltage tester. I don't know where I placed it. So thankfully my multimeter's got one of those testers built into them. So I'm going to use that and we're going to use that and see if there's any voltage coming in. Now the good thing is it is working. There is voltage and then black wires. There's no voltage coming to a spare switch. Hey, I got it. I got some voltage coming in. I figured it out. So guess what? They've got another spare switch in the closet. They didn't know about. So they've been out without heating for about 2 weeks, and they didn't know that. They didn't realize they've switched it off accidentally. Now I've switched the spare switch off again just to double check. That is the spare switch controlling that. Yep, that is. Now guys, if your boiler is broken down in South Birmingham, domestic or commercial, we repair all your favourite boilers from Baxi, Biasi, Worcester-Bosch, Vaillant and many more. So don't suffer in cold, give us a call. We also repair Gladhill water tanks too. We service them and offer landlord gas safety certificates. Now back to this one. I bet you guys are thinking this is one of the easiest jobs I've done. All you gotta do is switch the spare switch on and it started working. But the thing is, right, the spare switch was close to the boiler. And if I didn't find that spare switch, then I was in a lot of trouble. So we had to find it, and luckily the customer said that they've got a switch here that they don't know what it's used for. So luckily we found it. Otherwise, you could have a simple job that could be turned to a big mission. But anyway, the water pressure was low on it. I'm just filling it up, and to fill up with these Worcester-Bosch, that's all you gotta do. Pull that blue lever down, pressurize, let the pressure go to a 1.5, well, just 1.1, and just let it go on and close itself. That's how you repressurize on these Worcester-Bosch boilers. And that's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, stay positive, keep smiling. Hopefully that'll keep you happy. So guys, just sorted this boiler out. There's no power on it. There's another spare switch inside the storeroom that I had to figure out, and we got the power going for them anyway. So this one's working fine. Now, if your boiler is broken down in Birmingham or South Birmingham, give me a shout. Birmingham Boiler Fix. Hi guys, just done that Worcester-Bosch. No power at all. No power at all. Completely dead. Now I enjoyed that actually. It was quite easy, but it was quite tricky. But I enjoyed that repair I did. How I diagnosed it. How a process I went through. The spare switch, no power coming to the spare switch. I went to electric fuse box. The power there was, all of them were on. So I knew there's something else, like, you know, another spare switch in the property. So I enjoyed that. I asked the customer, he goes, no, there's no other switch. But then he was in the storeroom and goes, wait, there's a switch here, I don't know what that's for. So I switched that on. Next thing you know, the boiler came on. That was a good one. Anyway guys, I'm quite pleased with that. But I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, Birmingham Boiler Fix.